Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of features on the application of DeepSeek. You will click on settings, then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about DeepSeek and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.